Good morning and happy Saturday. Today's Saturday. Video comes out on Wednesday, but gotta be prepared. So I've just been working away. It is 10:30, and you know when you start working and you forget to eat? That is what's happening. I had green tea and water, and that's it. So this is a real fast. I was listening to a podcast the other day. I don't remember who was on it, but they said that drinking bulletproof coffee doesn't count as intermittent fasting. Hard to say. There's too much stuff happening on the internet because the one guy, like David Asprey, whoever does bulletproof, is like, no, it's fine because butter doesn't start your metabolism because it's just pure fat. But then this guy was like, literally anything that you eat starts your metabolism. So I don't know. If you know or have a source, please comment below because I really have no idea. But I just don't have butter right now is actually really why I didn't drink it this morning. But I am starving and I have so much work to do because I've been gone for 5 days. So I've kind of just been literally my Slack is as I'm sitting here, it's and it's on a Sunday. So cool. Get some clients that don't Slack message you on Sunday is my advice to you freelancers out there. But yeah, it wasn't really a vacation. I just took some days in the mountains if you follow me on Instagram. But anyways, I've been stuck just doing work because I would like to get lots of it done before tomorrow. Anyways, haven't eaten. It is 10:30 and I'm going to make some pancakes. Some healthy pancakes because usually I buy Kodiak cake and I also ran out of that. So we are going to make homemade from scratch healthy pancakes with Saskatoon berries because we went picking a couple weeks ago. And I promised this recipe 2 weeks ago. So you're welcome. It's late, but let's do it. Okay, I'm also putting in protein, but if you don't want protein, then don't use protein. But I'm using the coconut 1-up protein, which is going to make this whole thing taste like coconut, which is why I'm adding coconut to it. So they are coconut protein pancakes. Also, I'm adding eggs to it, but if you are dairy-free, don't want to have eggs, I would put in just more almond milk. This is like the end of the pan. End of the pan. I guess you can't really see my head. Okay. So I added in the Saskatoons and I mixed everything together. And now I am going to cook them. Okay, here are the pancakes. They look interesting, possibly delicious. I'll taste them and hopefully they taste good. I mean, they can't not taste good because I think I actually have brown rice flour. Usually I have almond flour, but for some reason I have brown rice flour. The coconut whey protein from 1UP, like I said before, coconut, like shredded unsweetened coconut, and almond milk, and 2 eggs. And I'll put the recipe below in case they do taste good. If it's not down there when you watch this video, that means they didn't taste good, and we're redoing them. But I think they're gonna be good. They can't not be good. Putting on my favorite Walden syrup. Not sponsored, hashtag please sponsor me. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. And then I am going to go to the gym. So I will see you there. I don't really know what kind of workout I'm gonna do, but we'll just see how it goes. So I will see you there. Thanks for watching the cooking show. You're welcome. leg workout and it was killer. I haven't done legs for like a month, so gonna be sore tomorrow. If you followed along, let me know how it goes. And now we're gonna do some stairs. Okay, so finished my workout. I am now just working. Yeah, I have so much work to do. It is 8:30. Also drinking my bulletproof coffee. So I was gonna mention before when I was actually in the gym, but the whole workout was fasted, and so I used to be scared to do weights fasted because I have a tendency to like pass out and stuff. Asked my like high school volleyball coach because it's too early to do activity. But since I've been doing fasted spin, I'm able to now do fasted weights. Sometimes I don't have enough energy, but if I get a good enough sleep and have enough food the night before, then I actually find I have more energy than if I eat food, if that makes sense. Maybe it's just me. Chris also works out fasted, so that's why I started, because we'd go to the gym in the morning before we could eat. So yeah, so drinking my bulletproof coffee. Today I'm trying to drink or like consume more of like a liquid diet, not like a detox, because I don't do well on detoxes, I need to eat, but like I just feel extra bloated and heavy this last couple days, and I had my period, so like that's probably what it's from. But yeah, I just feel like I need like a little reset. So drinking my coffee, and then I have bone broth in the car, and then when I get home I'll probably have like a spinach smoothie for lunch, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to share. Hopefully you like the workout, and now I'm just gonna do some work.